Hello gang, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day today. I'm on my bill, but look what I got. This is really cool. So I got a new screen for my bike finally because the one I got, well, the one that comes stuck with it is really not very good at all at keeping wind away. So look at that. So I've got an Ermax. I think it's the Sport Screen Tall, and look at the bubble in that. That is madness. So I'm going to be fitting this, and I'll probably put this into a video that I'll do doing like a review of it or something. But I really like the looks of this thing. It is absolutely massive, so I'm not sure how it's going to look, but it's really nice quality. It's the light smoke one. So yeah, I'll be doing a little video on this. That should be coming up, well, next for you, but within the next few weeks for me. So I'll catch you soon. Thank you very much, and have a good Christmas. Well, I hope you've had a good Christmas. Right, so this is beforehand. I'm going to change it over to the Ermax one now. Hey folks, so this is the difference between the two. It doesn't look too different on the camera, but it's a lot different, trust me. So I've just taken this one off, and that's what the bike looks like without it. Very strange, to be honest, but this is the rider scan. I'm going to be taking, well, I don't know if I should take that off, to be honest, because I used to have one on an old bike, but it's not making that much of a difference. But just the profile of them is just completely different. This one's got a nice big bubble. I mean, look at the size of that. So we're going to put that on now and see what it looks like. So there it is with it on at the lowest setting. Fucking cool, to be honest. You've got that big bubble, so it's not just a flat screen anymore. Hello guys. I've just come back in, I've put it on. It's absolutely bloody freezing, but you can see it looks awesome, and you can see the double bubble on it as well. Looking at the cockpit view, really cool. It actually looks really nice as well. That's on the lowest setting. It does look a bit higher than usual, but hopefully this means that there's not going to be any wind smashing me in the face these days, because this thing, if you look at the bubble on it, it's really shallow compared to that out there, and it was just kind of like a slab, and it wasn't really doing anything. It's not particularly very wide. I mean, it was just awful riding with this thing, because the helmet that I've got, which is the Shark GT Air, the second version, it was not great in terms of wind noise, and it was just unbearable. So hopefully now I'll be able to ride without you know, going deaf. So yeah, I'll give it a test. There's probably a few little videos of this linked together. I'll give it a test at some point, but I've just gone out and it's about -4. It's bloody freezing today, Christmas Day. So have a good Christmas, and I'll see you soon.